This is a selfie stick. It's one I picked up that was very highly rated on Amazon. The neat thing I like about this is, one, the handle is not dainty. I could go pull a bunch of the old broken metal selfie sticks that I have that have really dainty, just like as you pull them out, this piece is not reinforced at all. You can see this has reinforced ribbing on both sides, so that's cool. Comes with your smartphone holder, so you can do that. Now, if you're a TikToker and you need to roll this sideways, you can do that too. So it's got a ball adjustment here, so you can put your phone in any orientation you want. You can slide it all the way out. You can tilt that end ball however you want. But what's neat about it too is it is also the last one you're ever going to need, because it works for creators. If you take the base, and this is kind of interesting, you open it up, it becomes a desktop tripod. So if I want to take, let's say, the show iPhone here, I've done this before with TikTok, and I want to do a stream, I can literally take the show iPhone, put it in here. So now I've got that thing held up. There's extra wires and stuff, only because I actually have it streaming for you guys right now. So we can go over to the show iPhone and you guys can see me there. Here we are. And what other thing this has is a little Bluetooth remote. So maybe you're taking one of those family photos for, you know, the summertime. We've got a bunch of family members. You don't want to leave that one person out. Well, you take this and you literally hit that remote. It's got a little Bluetooth. There's a little on off. Every time you hit it, you can see down here in the corner, I'm taking a new photo every time. So then if I go back to my Photos app here, you can actually see I can review the photos that I took in the Photos app, and that's all done with this Bluetooth remote. Now the Bluetooth remote is magnetic. What I love about it is it fits right here in the handle. So you can actually take this item, go out and just use the picture right there. Hey, you can see all my cameras now and the computer there. So I'm going to go ahead and take that photo. Another interesting thing is this thing gets to be almost 6 feet tall. So again, I was showing you the adjustability here of this end. One of the things I've been doing lately is I've been recording a lot of my B-roll with a GoPro here. So you can see my GoPro. This is a little GoPro 7 Black. If I take the smartphone adapter off and I just slide on the GoPro, now check this out. I'm 6 foot. This floor is right here. I'm going to slide this thing all the way out. Now I have it literally all the way out here. I can set that up, level it off, and I can do a talking head video, and there, it's almost at eye level for me. Maybe it's about 5'5". I just make sure I have all the segments out. So this thing has an incredible amount of adjustability. So that's a really cool feature. So if you're looking for a selfie stick to rule them all, this may be the one right here. So you can, again, adjust it at any height. So that was my picture of the studio that I was able to capture with the selfie stick. You can see all the different lighting that I have to do to get the lights just right. Yeah, there's a lot going on here. It does get to 62 inches, so just under, was that 5'2", I guess? So just under 6 feet here. A little over 5 feet. You can put anything on top of it that you want. I don't know if I'd do a full DSLR, but it can actually do vertical video as well as photos and horizontal. And this is that detachable. It says it has the 30 foot range, 10 meter range, so that's pretty slick. So that was the second product that we have on here, but we're not